Hello beautiful friends, welcome back to the channel. So we are going to be hurriedly planting some tomatoes today, and I wanted to walk you through how I do that, why I do that, and just give you some really good foundational tips and tricks and things that you can do to effectively grow tomatoes no matter where you are. Let's go on ahead and get this video started. All right friends, so what I have here is yellow German or old German, goes by a bunch of little nicknames. And as you can see, definitely needs to be in the ground with some nutrients. Now what I am doing currently, you can see it's got, bring that in, all these little stems that are coming up on it. We're just going to pretend that these aren't even there. Woo, that thunder. And I'm going to dig a hole. Now this is all nice, beautiful soil, but even still, I'm going to add in a healthy handful of worm castings. And then I'm going to mix it in, and I am going to bury this baby all the way up. Like so. Now my reason for doing this, I know this is a controversial way of planting tomatoes. I really don't care. Frankly, it's what works. All of those little spines along the side are going to end up turning into a secondary root system that is going to help anchor this plant. And since I kind of live in Tornado Alley, I really need a plant that's anchored into the ground well. So that's why we did that. Now that variety in particular happens to be what is called a yellow German or an old German. Now, even though it's technically called a yellow German, it's actually more in the orange category. So if you live in a zone like I do, or you garden like I do, and the garden space that you have is outdoors, you're gonna know what I'm talking about. So yellow tomatoes are notorious for cracking issues, and this comes from watering inconsistency. And that's going to be because, well, you can't determine how much rain you do or don't get when you're a gardener, a farmer. When you're living in the outdoors, sometimes you get a lot of rain, sometimes you get a little bit of rain. Tomatoes that are yellow tomatoes really don't prefer inconsistent watering. In fact, most tomatoes in general don't. So if you have struggled with maybe some cracking or splitting along the sides of your tomatoes, it's going to be because of the watering issues more than anything. Don't worry about it. If you have that pop up, just cut around it. But if you love a yellow tomato, this old German variety gives you the flavor of a yellow tomato with reduced cracking like a red tomato. So if you have not tried this version or this variety of tomato, it's an old heritage variety. I highly recommend that you do give it a try. Now the thunder and lightning seem to be coming in, so I'm going to go on ahead and sign off here. Don't forget to grab my free guide. I'll have a direct link to that down below in the description box. So go on ahead and grab that, and then go on ahead and check out these other tomato videos that I have done in years past. As always, keep it simple, natural, and essential. We'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye.